Salt isn't just an essential seasoning. It has natural antibacterial properties and can be used to scrub your home into sparkling perfection. Here are the top 5 ways to use salt to keep your house spotless. Number 1. Clean your drains. Mix salt with hot water and pour it down your sink drain regularly. Doing this deodorizes the drain and helps keep grease from building up. Number 2. Banish tough laundry stains. First, rub half a cut lime on a tough stain like blood or rust. Then pour a good amount of salt on the area. Rub the fabric and salt together and place the stained item in the sun for a few hours. Then, wash the fabric as usual. Number 3. Take care of carpet disasters. Blot the carpet stain with a paper towel. Then, pour a generous amount of salt on it. After a few minutes, vacuum up the salt. Finally, apply a solution of equal parts dishwashing liquid, vinegar, and warm water to the stain. Alternate between dabbing on the cleaning solution and blotting it dry. Number 4. Clean cast iron cookware. Cast iron cookware is wonderful for searing steaks and frying chicken, but tough to clean. Salt to the rescue. After cooking, let the cast iron skillet cool. Then sprinkle it with table salt and scrub clean with paper towels. Number 5. Refresh a wooden cutting board. Cutting boards get a lot of wear and tear. To remove stains from the wood's surface and give it a new life, just use salt and lemon. Slice a lemon in half and dip the cut side in salt. Then rub the lemon and salt with the grain of the wood like a sponge.